dancing to the rhythm of a coconut drum, sipping on green, the wings stopping free. There's colorful birds and a tune for the sea, swinging on branches and the skies are teal, grooving with the conch shells, it's all surreal. From sunrise to sunset, there's no stop. This parrot's the king of the treetop. It's a tropical parrot party tonight. Colors are flying under moonlight, singing through jungles wild and untamed. This feathered fiesta can't be contained. High enough on hills and papaya beats, glow in the dark like jungle heat, synchronized moves with the rainforest trees. Life's a celebration high up in the trees. Clouds keep beat on a bamboo bar, jungle spirits joining from near and far. Echoes of laughter, they light up the skies. It's a carnival world in the bird's paradise.